So you want to make money online in 2023. Either you want to start a YouTube channel and make money from that, or have a blog website and make money from that, or you want to be a high ticket affiliate marketer. And you already know that in order to make money, you need to have content, but you don't have a ton of time to make a whole bunch of video scripts or to write a whole bunch of articles or to make a whole bunch of content of any kind. And you can't afford thousands and thousands of dollars to pay a copywriter for you. So what do? Usually people just give up at this point. Well, now instead of putting in hours and hours of work or paying thousands and thousands of dollars to content creators to make the content for you, there's a new AI tool that can do all of that for you. And right now it's still free. Pretty soon it's going to be about $30 a month, which is still insanely cheaper than a copywriter or a freelancer. You can literally type in anything, such as write me a YouTube script that's 10 minutes long and gets people's eyes on my product, and it will literally pump that out for you within minutes. So my mentor Flo and I did a little case study so that you can see exactly how it works, the type of things that you need to type into it to get it to pump out good content for you, and to basically create an entire online business for you if you want. And if you're here, you probably already know that any information that you need, anything that I recommend, or any links to anything will be in the description below. Also timestamps if you want to jump around in the video. Let's get right into this one today.
Okay, so let's take a look at creating ads with both ChatGPT and Bing. Okay, so in the meantime, we'll use ChatGPT because anyone can sign up for that. There's no wait list, but if you use the free version, sometimes it is slow, but you just have to be patient with it because it's free for now. So what we're going to do is we're going to write a sample ad. And the issue that we had is with ChatGPT, it only has information until 2021. So we have to find out first, does ChatGPT have any information about getfreewithannie.com? So I'm just going to ask, do you know anything about getfreewithannie.com and Get Free with Annie's YouTube channel? So it's saying I should search. So that's the difference between Bing's AI and ChatGPT is ChatGPT only has information stored on it up to 2021 currently. They're going to change that soon, but I'm going to still type it in anyway and see what happens. So please write me a short YouTube ad script with an interesting hook that tells the viewer to go to Get Free with Annie's YouTube channel to find out how to make money with AI. So the better you make your description of what you want, the better it should be. But remember, on ChatGPT, it already told us it doesn't have any information about Get Free with Annie, but sometimes you just have to try it anyway. So I'm just going to copy this so I could try it in Bing. And so let's see if this works. We're going to hit that and see what we get. So another thing that's happened is now ChatGPT has a paid version, of course. So the free version's a little bit slower, especially during the day. Yeah, they have a paid version for $20 a month.
Oh, that's not bad.
So this is short. I don't know how good it is. So it says, are you tired of feeling left behind in the fast-paced world of technology? Do you wish you could take advantage of AI and ChatGPT to make money, but don't consider yourself a technical person? Well, you're in luck. Get Free with Annie's YouTube channel has the solution you've been looking for. With our step-by-step guides, anyone can learn how to leverage the power of AI and ChatGPT to make money online. So why wait? Head over to... So the point is, for every topic you cover, you can write an ad. So you could write one for big ticket affiliate marketing and do the same thing. So now I can paste this same thing here. Go ahead.
Sometimes I get like a block just for like what I should make a title of my YouTube video. And I was like sitting there, I think yesterday, trying to come up with one. And I was like, oh yeah. And I went to ChatGPT and I was like, please write me 10 YouTube video titles that have an interesting hook. I was trying to remember the words you said. They were actually really good. So
yeah, so I would say the most important thing when you're using it for YouTube is your hook.
Okay.
So if let's say you're talking about a product, let's keep it with high ticket affiliate marketing. I would just say, write me 5 compelling YouTube video hooks, including the title or the topic of high ticket affiliate marketing. Make the titles impossible to ignore. So we got how I made $10,000 in my first month with high ticket affiliate marketing, He said this title creates a sense of urgency and intrigue by showcasing a specific result achieved in a short amount of time. So this gives you, this will teach you how to make better titles.
Yeah.
The untold truth about high ticket affiliate marketing, how anyone can make 6 figures online. High ticket affiliate marketing for beginners, step-by-step guide to making your first sale. Why high ticket affiliate marketing is the future of online business. Insights from top earners. From broke to 6 figures, my high ticket affiliate marketing success story. This title creates an emotional hook by promising to share personal journey. I like this one. Not the specific title, but talking about your journey.
Right.
So it doesn't even have to say from broke to 6 figures. It could say from, the dentist office to 6 figures, from,
Yeah.
from,
Well, and then you could even
cat
copy
lover.
and paste that little explanation at the bottom into your next, like, make me a title that creates an emotional hook by promising to share a personal journey. You know what I mean?
So now they have this option, creative, balanced, or precise. Let's try creative since we're writing ads. So I'm going to paste this here. So I'm going to say, please write me a short YouTube, not short, take out the word short. Please write me a YouTube ad script with an interesting hook that tells the viewers to go to Get Free with Annie's YouTube channel. Yeah, it seems like the scripts, the first time we try the script on Bing, it's a lot better than ChatGPT.
Yeah, it looks like they are pulling stuff from my videos too, like talking about mentors and, or it's just that good. I don't know. Seems like it though.
Yeah, let's read this one. So, but I did combine 2 into 1, but let's see. It says, hey, what if I told you that you could make money online with high ticket affiliate marketing, even if you're a complete beginner? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. And I'm living proof of that. See, so this part right here, this is better.
Yeah.
And then let's go to this. Hi, I'm Annie and I work in a dental office, but I also have a passion for online business. And in just 1 month, I made over 10K in sales with high ticket affiliate marketing. That's 4K in profit in my pocket. How did I do it? Well, I learned from the best mentors and coaches in the industry, and I followed their proven system step by step. And now I'm on my way to scaling my online business to 6 figures and beyond. But enough about me. Let's talk about you. Do you want to learn how to make money online with high ticket affiliate marketing? Do you want to have more freedom, more income, more impact? Do you want to live your dream lifestyle? So this part's better too.
Yeah.
If you answer yes to any of these questions, then you need to pay attention to this ad because I'm about to share with you something that will change your life forever. I've created a YouTube channel called Get Free with Annie, where I share with you everything I know about high ticket affiliate marketing. I show you how it works, why it works, and how you can get started today. But that's not all. I also have a website called getfreewithannie.com where you can access even more valuable resources, training on high ticket affiliate marketing. You can also join my email list and get exclusive tips, updates from me. Right. So I added that because it looked at your website.
Yeah.
So what are you waiting for? Don't ignore this ad. This could be the opportunity that you've been looking for. Click on the link below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Get Free with Annie, right now. And don't forget to check out my website, getfreewithannie.com as well. Trust me, you won't regret it. High ticket affiliate marketing is the best way to make money online in 2023 and beyond. And I'm here to help you succeed. So go ahead and click on the link below. Join me in this amazing journey. And remember, get free with Annie and get free with high ticket affiliate marketing. That's pretty good.
That's really good.
I'm going to send that to you. Yeah. So, I mean, you could rearrange a couple of words, but that's pretty good.
Yeah.
And then I could say now, can you write me 2 emails that subscribers receive once they join my email list that tell them the secrets about high ticket affiliate marketing and why, and have a call to action that encourages them to join my mentors coaching program. So let's see what it does. Looks pretty good so far. And I like that it's formatted too.
Yeah.
So literally all you have to do is copy and paste it.
Those look really good.
Yeah, it makes your job a lot easier.
Yeah.
You need to there's some steps you need to follow to make sure Bing will give you access to it. I believe you need to check your email and see if they sent you an email of what to do to get access to it faster. Yeah, and then the great thing about it is there's no grammatical errors. You don't have to worry about that either. You're writing articles, but I wouldn't post an actual article written with this. I would still run it. There's another tool I think you were telling me about that you could run it through to make sure it doesn't trigger any. Yeah, and then before you do that, I would just rewrite it a little bit. So that way, but you'd still save like an hour of time of writing content. You could choose, thanks for the emails. Can you write another email for me? Can you give me some feedback on the email? So that's interesting. So you could actually paste something you write in here and then tell it to give you feedback on what to do.
Yeah, that's cool.
So there's a tool that I was going to tell you about other than these two. So we have ChatGPT, we have Bing AI. Everybody should join the wait list to get that because it looks like it's a lot better at writing ads, at least, than ChatGPT right now, because it can pull information from the internet.
Yeah.
So because it's a search engine. So on top of that, the other tool I wanted to show you will actually take content and then it will turn it into shorts. So you'll be able to create shorts from videos, and it does it with AI. Go Charlie. Well, let's check out Go Charlie. So Go Charlie will it'll create articles and shorts from your videos. So all the content we create.
You can just put your video into it, and it'll make a whole bunch of shorts.
Yep.
Cool.
So you go here, and then let's see the pricing. There might be some discounts available online. Obviously, as you can see, it's not cheap, but at $39 a month, you get 60 pieces of content. Doesn't really say, but I believe there is a minute restriction on the smallest package, but you could try it out as well. And I'm going to try it out too.
So I really hope that was helpful for you guys. There's really no excuse to not start an online business anymore. It really doesn't get any easier than that. You literally have your own virtual assistant and content creator all in a simple AI application online. If you ever in the past thought, I just don't have time to make a ton of content, or I just don't even know what I would make it about, like, you can literally just type it into the search engine now, and this AI will give you all of the content, all of the information that you need. It's literally like having a personal assistant. I think my next video, I'm going to completely create it out of the AI and let you guys know and see what you think. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the comments below, and any links or recommendations will also be linked in the description below. Thanks for tuning in to Get Free with Annie, and I hope that you choose today to get free.